We'll guide you through how to fix a monitor not showing 144Hz refresh rate. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because the higher the refresh rate, the smoother essentially it goes and looks. I really like it in a higher refresh rate as it just looks way smoother, so we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. It's much easier than you probably think, so any further ado, let's go and get into this. So first of all, what you want to do is go and press on the Windows button at the bottom. You can then go and press Settings. Go to the left and you want to go and find System, and you can then go and find Display. Alternatively, you can right click on your desktop and press Display Settings. Then you want to go and scroll down here to Related and press Advanced Display. Now at the top here, you can go and choose your monitor like so if you've got multiple, and you can come down to choose a refresh rate. Come to the right here and you can go and see 144 here. So we can then go and select it like so. And then what we can do is we can go and press keep changes. Now, if yours is not showing there, don't worry. There's some different things we need to go and cover. So first of all, you need to go and make sure you have got a monitor which goes and supports this. I've actually got a table here I made in ChatGPT. You need to make sure your monitor goes and supports HDMI 2.1. If you want to go and use it in 1440p or 4K or 2.0 in 1080p. If you're using DisplayPort, you can go and see that you can go and have it in 1.2 for 1080p and 1440p. For 4K, it needs to be at least 1.4 or 2.0, depending upon if you've got DSC here. And this also goes and applies to the cable. So if you're sure the monitor goes and supports this, make sure you're not using a really cheap basic cable, as often that isn't going to go and be able to go and support the 144Hz refresh rate. And as well as that, go and check your graphics card. You may need to go and check the model you've got. To do that, you can go and type in Device Manager, open it up. Then you can go and find Display Adapters and expand it to the left. And you can see I've got an RTX 4070, and you can go and check the output of that. Now, some graphics card may go and have different HDMI outputs and DisplayPort outputs. So you want to go and find the one with the highest quality, which you can then go and use. And then, of course, get the right cable and make sure you're connected to a monitor, which then goes to supports 144Hz, and then that will go and fix it. So it's a combination of all these need to align: the cable, the monitor, and the output, the graphics card, aka your computer, and then that's going to go and resolve the problem. And as well as that, I always recommend having your graphics card drivers properly installed. So for example, I've got the NVIDIA RTX 4070, so I can go and get those drivers online using the NVIDIA app, or I can download them directly. So make sure that all aligns. And then what you can do is plug it all in. And when you come to the display, advanced display, and come to choose a refresh rate, you should go and see the option for 144Hz. And then you should go and get that nice smooth effect. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you again. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.